Here we will write a program to find area of circle in Python. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program to find area of circle. The formula for calculating area is pi r square. So 3.14 into radius square. First we will accept the radius from the user. So r equal to float input, enter radius. Then we will calculate area as 3.14 into r and then we will print the area with print statement. So print area of circle, then we will save it area of circle dot py. Then to execute we will press F5. It will ask to enter the radius. I will enter 6. It will display the area as 113.0399.